What's your most valuable asset? Successful people agree. Time is your most valuable asset that you'll never get back. How would you like some amazing help that will save you time, save you money, get you more organized, have more fun? That's what Siri and Siri Shortcuts will do for you. Hi, I'm Elaine Wilkes, PhD and a learning addict. I receive numerous 5-star ratings from my thousands of students. Siri and Shortcuts will SIRI-ously rock your world. For example, this shortcut scans the barcode and compares between Walmart, Amazon, and Target for the best deal. Here's a light I got at a discount electronics store. They listed it as $69.99. We'll click on the Price Compare shortcut. And there it goes. So it asks us, do you want the price on Amazon, Walmart, or Target? So on Walmart, this same item is $29.95. So here it's $30. So it's $40 cheaper at Walmart. So now let's scan it and see what the price is on Amazon. We click on Price Compare. There we go. I select Amazon for a price compare, and it brings up this item on Amazon. And there it is, $5 cheaper than Walmart, $45 cheaper than the store. Now in this shortcut, just by me saying arrival time, Siri will go to the maps, get my location, figure out my arrival time, open a text, and send a text to the person I want her to let them know when I'll be there. Amazing. In this shortcut, Siri does the math. Hey Siri, run calculate tip.
Running your shortcut.
So here I would put in the total amount of the bill and click OK. Then I would click the amount I want to tip, and there it is. She tells me how much the tip is and the total of the bill. This shortcut has one-touch speed dialing, and I click on George, and it calls George, one-touch calling. You may be thinking, hey, I can learn this for free on YouTube. Yeah, that's going to take a lot of time weeding through everything and trying to figure it all out. Instead, I take you by the mouse step by step so you really learn it. You get it down. Take the class now to learn how to use the phone that you'll most likely use for the rest of your life.